Who doesn't love their shop vacuum? But in order for it to operate at peak efficiency, it's really important to clean the filter on a regular basis. But how do you do that neatly and quickly? Well, here's one way. Take a 6-inch long machine bolt with 2 washers and a nut and put it through the center hole of the filter. Feed it through from the underside and put the washer and the nut on the top and tighten it up. And once you can snug it up by hand, then use a wrench on one side and a nut driver on the other to snug it up. You want this nice and tight. And now we're going to use this bolt, we're going to chuck it into the drill, and we're going to use the power of the drill to spin out all that dust. There you go, perfectly clean.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.